Hey everybody, welcome to another video real quick before I go back in. The Nissan broke down. Before I take it to a shop, I want to see if I can figure it out what the hell that noise is and everything, because from what I heard last night, y'all gonna hear this on video and everything. This is gonna be a long video, so you gotta watch it all the way through. I don't want to hear no bullshitting and complaining about skipping over and all this and that. Just watch it all the way through, because I got things I gotta take care of. One, I gotta go dump some old furniture when I get out of here later today. Then after that, you already know, go hit the gym. You know what? I might go park this and go get the Nissan and everything. We'll drive it, and I'll have you guys listen. Y'all let me know in the comment section what y'all think it is, because regardless of it, I gotta get it to a shop. I don't got the time, and I don't got no space to even work on my own shit no more. So I have to take it into a shop. So yeah, y'all, I've been having a lot of problems with this Nissan. This Nissan been fucking up lately, and it's like every time that I let this car, every time that the car sits for like 2 or 3 days, something is always going wrong. Something is always going wrong. Mind you, just got the oil change done on it. If that was the case, I don't know. Shit just weird, you guys. Like I said before, shit just fucking weird. Like, I'm to the point now where either one, I'm gonna do a short sale settlement on the car, or two, I'm gonna trade it in. I'm gonna get something more reliable, because ain't no way at 65,000 miles a car should be fucking up and breaking down. Now I can see if it's after 100,000, understandable, but at 65,000 miles, come on, making noises at that too. Yeah. So hey, y'all enjoy the rest of this video. I gotta go clock in and shit, and probably as soon as I get up out of here, I'll probably pick this GoPro right back up. So thank you guys once again for all the support, and through all the situations I've been through, you guys, I always get through it. So I'll catch you guys in a little bit. It's fucking when hot. They see me up in here, ooh, especially them paisas, oh man, they feel like they supposed to have something like this and not everybody else. Oh, by the way, not to get off topic, somebody took the tags on the truck, y'all, and they got the plates too while they was at it. Yeah, they got me. They got me where I work at too. Yep, they got me where I work at. Like, I'm not lying to you guys. I only got a front plate, and I got to put that front plate in the back for the meanwhile, until something. And then where I work at, they over here trying to play dumb like they never heard nothing like this before. Yes, people still tags, you guys. People still tags, you guys. For real. They still tags. Oh, there ain't no cops behind me. I think we cool. Oh shit, there go one right there. Anyway, besides all that, we're on our way to the audio shop right now, because I don't got the special screws that you got to put in here. No, you guys, everything was fine the whole entire time. Nothing wasn't loose. Nothing hasn't been loose on here for a very long time. Yep, for a very long time. Nothing hasn't been loose, so nothing fell off. And I want to make this be known already. I had the music down. I had the radio down. I wasn't blasting no subs today or nothing. So if something would have fell off, I would have heard it, and I would have stopped it. I would have stopped, and I probably would have stopped traffic. I would have got that shit. So no. And yes, we backtracked in another car back to where I work at. Same route that I take there, and the same route that I take to get home. Nothing. Last time I did see this son bitch with a plate on it was one of my brakes, and then after that, either had to happen between my lunch break or my last break during that 2-hour time frame. So hey, hopefully this company does the right thing and check their cameras and just do the right thing, because it did happen. The hell is these two niggas hugging? Anyway, it did happen while I was on the clock. So hopefully this company does the right thing, man, because I be damned. In California, how much is replacement plates? Because I'll probably have to go this Friday. We go get the replacement plates. Huh? Shit. You guys, you don't know how pissed off I am, especially. I am highly pissed the fuck off about this shit, man. It's like, why can't people leave people's stuff alone? And this is the bullshit that I deal with at this company. This is the hate that I get at this company. I bet you money, whoever took the plate and everything, just like you said, it's probably gonna reappear again tomorrow. Huh? It's gonna reappear again tomorrow. Somebody probably gonna bring it back. Somebody probably gonna bring it back. Remember what happened when I first started there? My LB hat disappeared, and I ended up getting it back at the end of the day. Yep. Well, shit, he ain't got the MUN sticker on his tags. Hell, so we all right. We're all right with that front plate in the back. We all right. As long as they see that plate in the back, ain't nothing to worry about. That's all I gotta tell you. Not too happy. It's 3 o'clock in the afternoon. The gym about to be all fucked up full of these damn teenagers and shit.
Well,
stick with me, all right? Stick with me. Nah, the thing that pissed me off about them damn teenagers at the gym is that they just sit there and they all stand in a big group just talking. Nobody ain't working. Sometimes I can't even use certain machines. I gotta come back another damn day. And then I'm not gonna be able to help go dump this stuff because yeah, we ain't finna have this for another what, week? Mm-hmm. Yeah. Oh well. Oh fucking well. Oh fucking damn. Oh fucking well. Oh fucking well. Ain't no cops around. Ain't no cops around, y'all. Hey, Fred, we ain't trying to get pulled over for no plate. I never had this happen before where they take the tag and the plate. I never had this happen before. I can't make this shit up. Whoever did it, one, probably works there.
Yeah.
I'm telling you this right now, probably works there. Cause I think I'm about to start pressing on niggas. I'm about to start pressing up on niggas at that company, man. Fuck that. And I'm about to make a report to the warehouse manager that I work with, that's in charge of all of us. Yeah, because they need to be aware that they need to be notified about this shit too. Hell, they probably, you know what? I keyed the tag with how I do it with the X and everything. So they probably took the whole shit. Is it that bad right now? Is it that bad that y'all stealing plates and tags? I haven't heard nobody do that since like the 2000s and shit. Like way before law enforcement had all this technology where they just can scan your shit. And yeah, they got license plate readers, so they can see whose name is it, if the tags are current and everything. Let me park right here. Let me park right here. I'm gonna see if he has the screws and shit. Yeah, y'all, we got the audio shop and everything, cause I gotta get them specific type of screws and shit with the washer, cause yeah, they take care of me here. So let me go take care of that, and then we'll get on. Moving this bitch, if anything. If people start driving erratically, or God forbid something happens. Oh, here, is he coming over here? All right, man, it is the next morning. Oh my goodness. I don't even want to talk about what happened, but if y'all really want to know the update on that whole situation, it's crazy how the company is over here and the agency is over here basically trying to call me crazy and shit. It's like, come on now. Like, if I didn't dip out on none of my brakes, I sat in my vehicle the whole entire time all day and it hasn't moved all day, How else could something like that happen? I'm telling you, and this is me keeping it real with all you guys, I believe they're trying to cover some shit up. And I believe they probably knew who did it and everything. So, honestly, you guys, and this is me just keeping it real, I really ain't got nothing to say. Now, the reason why I'm here right now is because I woke up late. Maybe it was a good thing that I woke up late, because who knows if I would have went up there, how I probably would have reacted, and I probably would have been locked up in the county jail right now. Like, y'all don't understand the anger and frustration I was having the whole entire time yesterday, and even kind of like low-key waking up right now. Like, y'all don't even understand. But it's all good. Today I'm gonna go to the DMV. I'm gonna go get new plates. Not a problem. 28, I believe it's like 28 bucks or some shit. Yeah, I believe it's like 28 bucks or something like that. So fuck it. I'll go sit at the DMV probably, I don't know, maybe the whole entire day, or maybe I might go this afternoon. I might go this afternoon and shit. I'm gonna go sit at the DMV and everything, get this shit taken care of, get some new plates. I believe at the DMV, they give you the license plates the same day. They give you the license plates the same day. So I'm not even tripping on this shit. It's whatever. Just making this moving forward. I'm gonna look for something else. And you know what? All the brothers that's been there for quite some time, they was right. They was like, they're gonna target you and they're gonna do anything and everything for you to you know, to either get fired or for you just to resign and move on with something else. And I see why. Like, it's so fucked up that you can't even have nice shit. It's so fucked up you can't even have nice shit. And mind you, majority of the employees that's there, they're Central American. So all my Mexican people, yeah, y'all know what it is with that. And it was just weird. Yesterday was just so fucking weird, y'all. Like, somebody that worked there was messing with the fucking truck. And it's all good. Whoever did it, it's all fucking good. And they're very lucky I don't know who the fuck did what, because y'all know me, y'all know my get down, y'all know what I'm capable of doing. I will beat that ass nigga on the fucking heartbeat, bro. But it's all good. Like I said, I'll go to the DMV later on this afternoon. I'll go get new plates. I'm not even tripping. I'm not even gonna make a big fuss about it. Just weird shit, my nigga. Cause, oh shit. Let me show y'all the noise that this car been making and shit. Should have been had this video uploaded yesterday, but oh well. Oh shit, oh man. He's not doing it today. That's crazy. She's not doing it today. She's not doing it today, but what I think it is, and based on doing my research, belt tensioner. Belt tensioner. So, if anything, I'm still gonna change it anyway, and I'm probably gonna go ahead and throw a new serpentine belt on here. But it's not doing it today. But one side, but because I gotta go out of town too, so I'm already got a feeling that these niggas is probably gonna have me resign, because I gotta take off the following Monday to go pick up Gordo from Northern California and shit. I'm already knowing that they're gonna be bitching and crying about that. It's just, I'm low-key just over it, y'all. I'm low-key just over it. I think what I'm just gonna do, I'm just gonna move on. I'm gonna go find me something else. Probably find me something more closer this way, because something gotta give. Like, seriously, something gotta fucking give, bruh. Like, enough is enough. enough is enough, man. Honestly, enough is enough with this BS. Like I said, it's not a bad company. It's not a bad company, but it's just the employees that's there. They're a bunch of pieces of shit, and they're a bunch of hoe ass niggas and a bunch of hating ass niggas. And this is me just keeping it real with all you guys right now. I've never seen grown ass adults act like fucking children and act like fucking babies. I cannot make this shit up. I cannot make this shit up. I'm still hot about this situation because now this is costing me unnecessary, well, not a lot of money, but it's costing me unnecessary time. Like, for real. It's costing me unnecessary fucking time. Now I gotta go sit at the DMV, probably waste half of my day today. Then I gotta go find the correct screws that screw into the backup camera frame. Now, there's nothing wrong with the backup camera. Thankfully some wires just got pinched. That was an easy fix. But still, it's costing me unnecessary time. Yeah, unnecessary time. So like I said before, I'm not tripping on this shit. I'm already knowing how corporate America is. They don't like to take responsibility when it happens on their property. Whatever, I get it. It is what it is. I'm not even tripping on it. So I'm to the point I just let the shit be. Seriously, I just let the shit be, man. But besides all that, this weekend, I gotta do some work to this car, y'all. I gotta replace the brakes on here. So I think I'm gonna go back to my old roots and shit. I'm gonna use the little scissor jack, and I'm just gonna jack it up one by one, take the wheel off, pop the brake pads off, slap them on there, and I'm just gonna do it one by one. Even though it's kind of limited around here where I live at to actually work on my own ish, because everybody around here be hogging up all the goddamn parking. And sometimes people be letting they shit sit for freaking goddamn days. Yeah, tell me about that. But besides all that, the car's not making that weird. It's not making that weird noise right now. I don't know. Maybe it was because this car sat for like 3 days when I was out of town. So I don't know. But if anything, I've already looked it up. It's a common issue on these Nissans, mind you. 65,686, and I got to replace the belt tensioner already. 9 times out of 10, you guys usually don't have to replace a belt tensioner to like way over 100-some thousand miles. Yeah. Now, serpentine belt, understandable, but belt tensioner, I'm gonna still replace it anyway. Like I said before, I think it was just squeaking in shit because it sat. Like I said, whenever this car sits, you guys, it does the most weirdest stuff. So since I've been driving this car all this week so far, the noise went away. But I'm gonna still keep the part on standby. That way, if it does it again, then either if I can get time, I can do it, or I'm gonna get it to somebody and let them knock it out for me, man. Other than that, y'all, I need to go I probably need to go calm down right now and shit. I'm still pissed off about the whole entire situation, what happened with the truck and shit. And please, people, please keep your fucking hands to yourselves. Leave people's fucking cars alone. Seriously. And to be stealing tags in 2026, that is some of the most humane, brokest, bum activities that I can't even make up. So, it is what it is. Hey, I'll catch y'all on another video. I'm out of here. I gotta go calm down for like about a couple hours. That's all I gotta tell y'all right now. And kind of a good thing I woke up late today. Because who knows what I would have did to some of them employees up there at that company and shit. I probably would have fired a couple niggas shit up. That's all I'm gonna tell y'all. I don't play. I'll chin check anybody. I don't give a fuck who you is, nigga. You will get chin checked. You will get slapped the fuck up. You will get beat the fuck up. People like myself, leave us the fuck alone and don't touch our shit.